fresh rice, dog food, egg. Okay, there's some more fat and gristle that we took off steaks today. This is the scraps of our potatoes, and we scraped the corn cobs, which seem to yield a lot of corn. Obviously, this is dog heaven. Turned out to be a lot of dog food, so we're going to put this in the fridge, and we let this cool for him. You hungry? Is this going to be good? Are you going to enjoy this? I think he likes it. Do you like it, buddy? Is it yummers? Are you the most spoilt dog ever? He goes, yeah, I eat better than most people in the United States. Steak, potato, corn, rice. Oh yeah, I'm good. Well, anyways, so that's what we're doing. We're using this chicken and brown rice recipe along with our scraps, and he's eating like a champion. Good morning. The way that I reconstitute this dog food, because I don't know, having cold dog food just doesn't sound like too much fun. So I add some hot water from our hot water heater, or if you don't have something like that, you can perk up a little bit of water in your percolator, your coffee maker, and mix it in with this. Yeah, you know what this is, don't you? So I just mix it all up. That way everything gets nice and warm. Well, room temperature. Lots of water. That apparently tastes good because he eats that first. And he is a very happy pup. Is this something that you want, huh? Is this something that you want? Does it look good? There you go, bud. And he just loves it.